In primetime news this evening, not true. Integrity Commission rejects accusations of political bias. More funds for the IC. Some lawmakers not convinced the proposed increase would be value for money. And police make mega cash seizure in St. Catherine operation.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, the third consecutive time this year, there has been a dip in business and consumer confidence. We'll tell you why later in the business day.
And Jordan is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Janella, remember those long-promised plans of a redevelopment of the National Stadium? Well, those are set to get going soon. The Sports Minister promising work to get going by next year. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
Sounds rather good. And Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, we have been having significant shower and thunderstorm activity across most of the island today. Heaviest amounts have been in St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. More is expected tomorrow. The tropical wave still moves through the general area.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we are asking, what are your views on the explanations given by the Integrity Commission at today's Oversight Committee meeting? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.